Hello, my name is Gayatri. I'm a graduate civil engineer. Since last 1 year, I'm working with Axian, Switzerland as a structural engineer. My main task is to perform the structural calculations for the steel mast, local existing building parts, and provide the technical support during the execution process. Some dimensions of the building parts I think you can see here. So this distance is very important. The edge distance from the center of the mast. Sometimes the building plans and the drawings of the steel mast are missing. And this is very important for the structural calculation to take the measurements from the steel mast and the building parts. That's why this is very important. As a structural engineer, I have to go to the site and take all the important measurements of the steel mast and the local building parts. We have to find the best technical solution for the problems which are arriving on the site during the execution process. For this position with high responsibility, hands-on experience in structural analysis is very important. And I think that's what in my hand. We have a very motivated and hardworking team in which we can share our know-how and help each other. I have not only grown up professionally but personally with the help of my supervisors. Being a mother of 2 kids, it's very important for me to handle high responsible job and manage my personal life. Thanks to the flexibility offered by the Axians in terms of home office or agile planning, I can handle my work-life balance very well. This provides very good opportunities to women like me to have the same career path as men. A good job profile, support from the supervisor, and a good work-life balance is what that ignites the passion in me that leads hard work and excellence. I'm fully satisfied with this job position and I hope to continue developing at Axians for several more years.